Hello, this is Mad Doctor. Today I have two items that they were sent from me from Blitzwolf. Two tripod selfie sticks, one for the mobile, one for the camera. And I would really like to thank Blitzwolf for this opportunity to review them, these two tripod selfie sticks. They were sent to me from Banggood, and they were sent for now, as you can see, the one is BW-BS5 and the other one is BW-BS4. The BS5 is for the camera and the BS4 is for the mobiles. I'm going to start with the mobiles first. And the BS4 is a very good extended multi-angle rotation Bluetooth tripod with selfie stick. It contains a 65 milliampere battery, which means that it's, when it's fully charged, it can work up to 40 hours. And you can take about 50,000 selfies per charge. Inside the box you will find, except from the tripod, it doesn't want to get outside. Now, except from the tripod, you will find the remote shutter, which contains the battery inside it. And you can, as I told you, work up to 40 hours. A warranty card and a user manual. It's all right. It was stuck inside it. So this is the user manual that you can see is in English and in Chinese. A warranty card, the cable for charging the remote shutter, and the selfie stick with the remote shutter. Here's the remote shutter. Now, as I told you, is for the mobiles, this version. It can take up to 85 millimeters wide mobile. This means of 3.5 to 6 inches mobile. At this level is 55 millimeters, and when it opens up, it's 85. So as you can see, is 5.5, and when it's fully up, it's a little bit hard. It's about 85 millimeters. It has the ability of 203 for vertical rotation. It can rotate, and 360 for horizontal, vertical and horizontal. Now, this one, as you can see, is made out of aluminum alloy, and it can expand really very much up to 810 millimeters. This is really big. I have a similar from Xiaomi, and it cannot expand that much. So this is much better from Xiaomi. Selfie stick. It has a handle tripod as you can see, that is made out of ABS, and it is non-slippery. You can move it up and down, as you can see, to use it either for a selfie stick, or you can have it as at a self-timer mode, or a tripod mode, or a live show mode. If you gather it together, it's really nice at portable pocket size. It doesn't weigh much. It's 222 grams, very light. The dimension of it is 46.5 millimeters to 207 to 27 millimeters. With this button here, you can connect it with your mobile. I'm going to show you in a little while. And it can take pictures or videos very easily with it at selfie mode. So you can have it and use it. Now this detaches. One moment. Now you can take it off from here very easily and connect it with your mobile and use it as a selfie stick. This can rotate 360, as I told you, and this can rotate. Now I'm gonna put, this is my Xiaomi Mi 5S Plus. It has 5.7 inches screen. So you're gonna see it can take it very easily. And you can use it to take pictures, selfies, or whatever you want. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to connect it with a mobile. Now we'll try to connect our Blitzwolf BS4 with our mobile. We activate our Bluetooth device, and you see it here, BW-BS4. I activate it. So it's trying to connect. As you can see, it's not blinking anymore, the blue light. BW-BS4 is connected. Now let's try the camera. As you see, it has taken the picture. And let's see for the video. It starts to record video. And it stops recording video. Very easy to use. One click to take pictures, one click to start recording and stop recording. So you can mount it on the tripod, the BS4, and take pictures very easily of you. So this is for the mobile. Now we're gonna see the same tripod but for camera. This is the BS5. As you can see here, it has a screw that it supports all 1 to 4 universal screw head, all kind of cameras. It has a wireless remote control, tripod. It's also made out of aluminium alloy, 360 rotation, lithium polymer battery, and universal phone holder. So inside it there is also the same items, the cable for charging, the warranty card, and the user manual. And this is the selfie stick. As you can see, it also has for mobiles. It also has the remote controller. Now the difference here is that you take out this, so you take it out and you will find inside the box this little thing which we mounted here like that. We use the same screw. Ready. And now it is ready to use it with our camera. I have here my Elite Explorer from Elephone, an action camera 4K, which I will mount it. It has for mounting the camera on this kind of tripods. You must mount it well, otherwise it won't be stable. Here it is. And it can also expand as the BS5, 810 millimeters. That's really wide, that's really long. It's also made, as I told you, from aluminum alloy, ABS handled tripod here. And you can use it either as a selfie stick or you can stabilize it down and use it. Very handy, very good. 65 milliamperes battery. That's 40 hours of work with this. You can connect it with your mobile, the same procedure. It doesn't make any difference. Only that this time you're gonna see BS5. So BS4 is still connected, as you can see. I activate BS5. My mobile is searching for BS5. You can use the shutter from BS4 if you have it. There is no difference. Well, as I try to connect, this is the two tripods that came to me from Blitzwolf. The Blitzwolf BW-BS5 and the Blitzwolf BW-BS4 for the mobiles. A really very good tripods, very long, 810 millimeters. This is really very long. I'm gonna show you in the end and some pictures comparing it with a Xiaomi tripod, which has the same abilities, but it's half long as the Blitzwolf. So if you need something really good and long, prefer Blitzwolf, much better. You can find it at Banggood from where it was sent to me. Don't forget to register at our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching my review. This is Smart Doctor. Bye.